Welcome to the second lecture of R programming. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about arithmetic operators in R programming. First of all, the title of the program, Arithmetic Operators in R. Now, what are the various arithmetic operators in R? Addition, subtraction, then multiplication, calculation of power, then calculation of remainder, and division. These are the arithmetic operators. To operate with arithmetic operators, we have to enter two numbers from user side. For that, let first number is x. Then to enter the data, we have to write read line in R language, then prompt is equal to enter first number. Similarly, you can enter second number, read line, then prompt is equal to enter second number. It is the methodology with which you can enter the data from user side. Let's execute this content. You can enter the first number. Let the first number is 12. Then execute second line. Second number is equal to 13. Suppose I display x on the screen. This one is 12. Then y. This one is 13. Suppose I am writing x plus y. Look at this one. One error is there. Error in x plus y, non-numeric argument to binary operator. This one is binary operator basically. Plus sign is the binary operator. But these are the contents written here displayed in the form of string. Now we have to convert basically these values into integer. For that, what we have to do, we have to write this code. X is equal to as dot integer inside bracket x. Then y is equal to as dot integer inside bracket y. Let's again execute the program. Run the program now. Let first value is equal to 23 and second value is equal to 12. Now execute line number 5 and 6, x and y. Now write x plus y. Look at the output now. Answer is equal to 35. You can display the content. If I am writing x minus y, that is subtraction, answer is equal to 11. If I am writing x multiply y, you can find the product. If I am writing x divided by y, you can find the division. If I am writing x 2 times percentage sign y, then I calculate remainder. 23 when divided by 12, it gives us the remainder. If I am writing x to the power y, then I can calculate the power. Similarly, you can enter some another value or directly you can calculate the data. If I am writing 12 divided by 3, you can find the answer. If I am writing 12 plus 5, I can find the answer. You can separately write the code inside console window. You can execute this content also. Again execute the program. You can see the output here. Suppose I am writing 32 and second is 15. Then again I have to convert the value into integer, then x divided by y. Okay, suppose I am writing 12 divided by 0. The answer is infinity. By default, the content is defined inside it. Suppose I am writing minus 13 divided by 4. You can display the content accordingly. Suppose I am writing some decimal value divided by 12.3. You can display accordingly. There is no error. Whether you can divide the content by 0, you can find infinity as output. If you are writing negative value, suppose I am writing negative divided by negative value, you can display the positive content, because negative negative cancel with each other. These are the basics of arithmetic operators. One more thing is there. In combination, you can also do arithmetic operators. Suppose the variable is in the form of vector. Suppose I am writing 12, 13 and 17. Then y is in vector form. Suppose the values are 2, 4 and 7. Suppose these are the values. This one is the integer vector basically. Now execute the program. This one is the first vector, then second vector. Suppose I am writing x divided by y. Here I am writing x divided by y. Look at this one. You can find the output in decimal format. 12 divided by 2, 13 divided by 4, then 17 divided by 7. If I am writing x minus y, I can subtract the value. If I am writing x multiply y, I can multiply the values. If I am writing x to the power y, means the same operations can be done in vectors. Basically, arithmetic operators, these are possible on vector combination also. It may be the decimal value. Suppose I am writing 12.3, 13.5 and 17.7. It's also possible in this case. Let's execute again. Then the second value, suppose I am writing x plus y. Then I can display the content accordingly. It's also possible in case of decimal. It's also possible in case of your complex values. Suppose I am writing 17 plus 5 iota. Let's execute this one again. You can operate accordingly. It's the second value. If I am writing x minus y, you can display accordingly. Now all the values basically are in imaginary format. First value is 12 minus 2, it's 10 basically. 12.3 minus 2, 10.3 plus 0 iota. 13.5 minus 7 minus 4, it's 9.5 plus 0 iota. 17 plus 5 iota minus 7, it's 10 plus 5 iota. You can operate accordingly. If I am writing x multiply y, you can multiply the content. You can display the content accordingly. 12.3 multiply 2, then 13.5 multiply 4, then 17 into 7 and 5 into 7 is also there, because these both values are multiplied by 7. Hope you understand the concept of arithmetic operators. In the next video, I will discuss about relational operators in R language. Thanks for watching my video.